The buyer home demand index has been declining since October 2025, and the Eastern Shore market is feeling it. It's Friday, February 13th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. This week's Eastern Shore homebuyer demand was 63 out of 100, which is categorized as limited. Lingering snow and ice storms combined with frigid temperatures continue to suppress buyer home shopping, as indicated by the low number of new contracts. However, this Valentine's weekend may prove to turn that around, since we are supposed to get more favorable weather, and perhaps people will get out and resume their home search. Perhaps they'll buy a gift for their Valentine. Inventory of homes offered for sale rose to 1,836 properties at a median $384,250. 119 homes will be coming to the market at a $475,000 median list price. That includes condos, townhouses, and detached homes. 117 homes went under contract since last report in 60 days and at a median $365,000. 83 homes sold in 56 days at 95.7% at a median $345,000. Rentals fell to 167 units, and the median held at $2,200 per month. These rentals have been on the market for 52 median days. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, February 13th, 2026. Enjoy your Valentine's Day weekend, and thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.